Hello everyone. Today we will be solving the lead code daily problem. The name of the problem is path with maximum probability. So yeah, you are given an undirected weighted graph of n nodes, zero index, represented by an edge list where edge of I equals to a comma b is an undirected edge connecting the nodes a and b with the probability of success traversing the edge, success probability I. Okay. So in this question we have given two pointers start and end, and we have to return the return the path from starting to end, and return the path which have the max probability. Like if you see the example number 1, we have a starting position as 0 and the ending position as 2. So we have to get a path which will be starting from the node 0 and ending from node 2. So if you see in the example 1, so we have two paths, so we can from 0 to 2 directly, so the probability will be 0.2. But if we take 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, the probability will be 0.5 into 0.5, which will be 0.25. So the maximum probability path will be 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. So yeah, and if we are not able to uh, visit from starting position to ending position, we have to return the 0. You can see example 3 here. We have to go from the starting position 0 to ending position 2, but there is no path, so we have to return 0. So for this type of question, you can use Dijkstra's algorithm, which uses priority queue approach. So the last 2 to 3 problems are based on priority queue, so it is also a priority queue question. So yeah, we will be solving this is solving this question. So first, we have given n, and we have given edges, and we have given success probability, and we have given a starting position and ending position. So what we can do is we can create a distance array. So here we can create a probability array, and probability will be n. And then we can create an graph, uh, for Jane graph. Okay, graph of I dot the graph of j, and we have a path from 0 to 1. Yeah, and we have given the probability. So yeah, so what we can do is we can do index comma j comma okay. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know it will work. Default dict of okay. I do okay, the name is edges. Not enough value to unpack. Expected 3, got 2. Yeah. So this path and okay, same probability, yeah. So it will create the graph. Yeah, so for this we have to take an priority queue. So will be taking on heap, and heap push, we will be pushing the start pointer with the probability 1.0. Okay, so yeah, so we will be taking a max heap. So for max heap in Python we have to give a minus sign here, and here it will be containing the start position, yeah. And while heap we will be returning the element node probab heap pop if node equals to end, we can return minus probab. We can do probab. If or in graph of node, we can go there. So yeah, if and the probability of start would be 1.0. If we are moving with node I, so if probability of j is lesser than probability of probab into probability of into I, yeah. Then probab of j, probab into I, and heap push. Okay, so we have to give the index as well. For this we can take an index here. uh, 0 to 1, the index here, yeah. Wait a bit, okay. Probability of j is less than probability of this, and from this we are going into the graph of node of j is containing the graph. So probability and probability of we are moving to I, probability of I into j. So probability of I equals to probability of I into I, and heap push will be Probability of I is lesser than probability the probability of node. Yeah, from node we are moving from jth quantum, so probability of j. J we have already given the probability. Might be I messed up so much, I don't know. Yeah, we are requiring two things by the way, j and the probab. It is working. I just messed up. I just given some context and yeah, it is working absolutely fine. Yeah, so the question is very easy. If we use a discussed algorithm we are able to solve it. So first what I have done is we have taken a probability array, then defined a graph, and then taken a heap and put the starting position and the probability of starting position. For the probability of starting position, if starting and ending is same, so we have the probability as 1. So here I am taking 1.0. So here I am done probability of probability of start is as 1.0. And here while the heap is not empty I will continue the loop, and here I am taking the probability and node from the heap, and then if I'm checking that the node is the endpoint, then we have to return the probability. And in the Python maxif we take negative element, so I am just converting it into a positive element, and then it is just a reversal of a graph. And if the probability of I is less than probability of a node into probability of I to j, then we are we are doing a probability of I equals to probability of node and probability of from node I to node j, and pushing it into the heap. Yeah, that's all from this for this problem. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt. I will try to resolve. Thank you.